Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. Today, we learn simple English for daily life.
Hi, Daniel. Hi, friends. I am happy to learn today.
Great, Anna. Let's start with greetings. Greetings are words we say when we meet people.
Yes, greetings help us talk in a kind way.
Right. The first greeting is hello.
Hello.
Good. Now say it again, slowly.
Hello.
Nice job. The next greeting is good morning.
Good morning.
We say good morning before noon. Now you, the listener, please say good morning.
Good job, everyone.
Now another greeting. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And another one. Good evening.
Good evening.
These greetings change with the time of day. Now let's practice. Anna, I will say a time. You say the greeting. Morning.
Good morning.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Evening.
Good evening.
Very good. Now, let's learn greetings at home. Simple words you use every day. For example, hi. It is short and easy.
Hi.
Yes, and when you see family at home, you can say, hi, Mom, or hi, Dad, or hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Now let's learn simple daily sentences. At home, you can say, I am hungry,
I am hungry.
or I am tired,
I am tired.
or I am happy.
I am happy.
Good. Now, the listener can practice. Please repeat, I am happy. Great. Another common home phrase is, let's eat,
Let's eat.
or let's go.
Let's go.
Very good. Now, let's practice a short home conversation. I will speak, and Anna answers. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Daniel.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Let's eat.
Yes, let's eat.
Good job. Now, friends listening, you can try too. I say a sentence, and you answer in your mind. How are you? Good. Now we review. Today we learned greetings. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hi.
And we learned home sentences. I am hungry, I am tired, I am happy. Let's eat, let's go.
Yes, and we practiced a short talk. Keep practicing every day.
Yes, practice helps you learn.
Thank you for listening today.
Thank you, everyone.
See you next time.